Hey, fourth grade, welcome to Problem of the Day. I already changed the numbers, so let's get started. Joanne bought 72 cases of sports drink for the team. Each case had 12 bottles of sports drink. How many bottles of sports drink did Joanne buy in all? So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of visualize what the problem is saying. So she bought 72 cases. Here's a case, here's a case, here's a case, here's a case. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I really don't want to draw 72. However, I can kind of visualize if I keep reading. Each case had 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's even a lot for one case. So that's 12 bottles in one case. And I need to do that 72 times. That's going to take me the rest of the day, and you guys would have to watch me do this for the rest of the day. That doesn't make a lot of sense. So we're going to start with something easier. This is a multiplication problem because I'm having multiple groups of something. So I had 12 sports drinks in each case, and I have 72 cases. That's multiplication. I don't want to add up 12 72 times, which is what I was doing in that picture. I want to use multiplication. So this is going to be 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. I could use the standard algorithm, or I could use the box method. I'm going to start with the standard algorithm. We'll use blue. Okay, I'm going to put 72, and I'm multiplying it by 12. So with the standard algorithm, I'm going to start here in the ones column. So 2 times 2 equals 4, and I write that here. Then I move on to 2 times 7, and I go across to the tens place. 2 times 7 is 14, and I also write that down here. I'm not done though because I haven't used my second place value slot. So I'm going to put down my magic 0 and then move on. Starting here, 1 times 2, that's just 2. And then 1 times 7, going to that tens place, that's 7. Now I have two numbers. I have two parts of the puzzle, but I'm not done. I need to add these two pieces together. That's an addition sign. So starting with my ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then my last column, 7 plus 1 is 8. Something I want to point out is this section I added, make sure you don't multiply, because if I did, this would have been a 0, this would have been an 8, and this would have been a 7, and that would have definitely been wrong. So let's make sure that we're checking our math skills here. Now I have one number instead of a couple different numbers. This 864 represents how many drinks there were in all of these separated cases. So there were 864 sports drinks that were split up between those 72 cases that Joanne bought. You have some different numbers to work with. You have 12 bottles in each case, but you have 84 cases. Good luck.